Do you know it is possible to make money on Facebook using other people's content? Yes, and this is by uploading other people's content on your Facebook and adding a little value to it. You know, Facebook frown at those re-uploading other people's content without any added value to it. Also, for your safety's sake, it is important too that once you want to use someone's content on your page, it is also important to add value, like say something about the video, like add value, say something, maybe pick one thing the person said in that video and just elaborate on it, or pick on the gap or what's lacking in that content and say something on that video. In that way, Facebook won't flag your page. As we all know, recently Facebook monetization have been open to some of the African countries. I don't know other countries, but I'm very sure of Nigeria and Ghana. So now these two countries, we cannot make money from our content on Facebook. If you upload your content on Facebook, you cannot make money from those your content on Facebook without looking for any admin or anybody to help you cash out from your account. It's not everybody that have the ability to create content from scratch just like me before they can make money on this social media platform. So this is just the only way for you to do this. So you using other people's content, this is what we call reaction video. People that make use of this reaction video more are those that are into the blog niche, those that are blogging. They're the ones that make use of reaction video a lot. So even if you want to use other people's content to make money on Facebook, I'm going to show you the legit way to do it so that Facebook won't flag your page. Just make sure you watch this video till the end. So Facebook don't flag your page for violation or reduce the visibility of that your video because they feel that someone else have posted that video. Don't go and carry someone's video and come and post it directly on your video. If you're a blogger and you're doing that, you're doing your page harm. And that particular content, you won't make money. In fact, that your page won't make money on Facebook as a whole. That your page can never be monetized if you go and download that people's content and come and post it straight up on your page without any added value, without adjusting anything from that video that you downloaded, that your page will not be monetized. This is just the hard truth. Yeah, so if you are doing that, it's better for you to go back now and delete all those videos that you posted there. Delete everything and start from scratch. This social media platform is not by hard work, it's by smartness. You don't need to be the first person to do anything. Like, you have to be smart in doing whatever you are doing so you can make this money, okay? So you can cash out the way other people are cashing out. So before we dive into the video, welcome to my channel. I'm Linda Tony, and if this is your first time here, thank you for tuning in, and please don't make it your last, okay? Because on this channel, it's all about good vibe and educative content. So make sure you subscribe, like this video, and also click on the notification bell. And for my returning subscribers, thank you for always coming back. And please make sure you like this video, okay? If you like this video, the only way YouTube algorithm can push this video to wider range of audience, okay? And so please help me to like this video, okay? And also subscribe to my channel. So to achieve this, you need just two apps. The first app here is Screen Recorder. If your phone don't have any screen recorder, you can as well go to your Play Store and download Screen Record app. There are lots of them online. You can download any of them and use it to record your video. But for those using iPhone, you already have a screen recorder on your phone. So you just go ahead and make use of your screen record. And the next app we are going to be using here is CapCut. We are going to be using CapCut because we are going to do some touches on the video so that the video will look exactly the same as the video the owner of the video posted, so that Facebook will not flag that video, so that even if they see the video, they'll be like, okay, there's something that left this video, there's something that they added to this video, you understand? So that way your video is legit even if you're using other people's content. So that's why we are going to be using CapCut. And yes, even if you don't know how to edit, or you be like, edit, I don't know how to edit, so how am I going to achieve this part? Don't worry there, I got you. On this my channel here, I made a video on how to edit for beginners. I'm going to be leaving the link up here. Just do where to go and check that video out, so it can help you to be able to find your way around this CapCut editing. But don't worry, for this reaction video, you don't need much editing. So even as a beginner, you can be able to achieve this on your own. So you can also use CapCut, or you can use InShot. Like, you can use InShot for your editing, and you can use CapCut for your editing. So even if you don't have CapCut, you can also screen record your video and use InShot, okay? The first step here on your reaction video is to go to the video that you want to react to. For example, now you saw a video online and you want to like react to that video, you want to say something about the video. What you are going to do is you just go to your screen record you have downloaded, or if you're using iPhone, you just on your screen record, you go to that particular video, then you play it. So maybe you are playing that video now, for you are doing the video record, like you just record it, okay, like this. I don't know, can I share the screen here? Okay, now you just record it. So for me, I'm talking about, I just want to react to this particular video of Uche Nancy. That's the video I want to react to. So what I'm doing now is I'm already screen recording the video. I'm not going to screen record all the video. I've already watched the video and I've seen the parts that I want to just talk about. So the part that I'll be talking about is just a 30-second video. So once I'm done screen recording the part I want to talk about, so what I'm going to do there is, now I'm going to just stop the screen record. So now it have automatically saved to my gallery. Okay, so once I'm done with that, then what I'm going to do next, I'm going to go to my phone now, like my gallery now, where I downloaded this video, because I want to do some adjustments on the video. I want to, I can record it. So before I got to that part, I must have gotten some parts I don't want, and I must have gotten the whole screen record. So screen record will record everything on your screen. So I want to like crop out some parts that I don't want. So you just go to your gallery. This one, you're not doing it on CapCut, you're doing this just on your gallery. Like for iPhone user, you just go to edit that particular video. It will show like this side to be. Then you click on crop like this. Then you crop it. For other users, for Android users, I'm very sure there's a way they can do this. You just edit. You just crop your video. This edit too, you find it on Android phone. So you just crop the video. So once I'm done cropping the video, that is all I'm going to do. Then I'll now leave it. Then the next step here, I'm going to also suggest to you guys, don't make the video you are reacting to be your main background. Don't make it to be the main background of your video. Like the video should be the one playing on the background while you yourself, you're just one side in your video looking at it. No, don't make that video that way, because if you make that video that way, it's going to overshadow you, and Facebook will be seeing that video as you uploading someone else's video. So the only way for you to enjoy using other people's content on Facebook without Facebook picking your page for violation is just by doing exactly what I'm telling you guys to do. Make sure it is you, that you are the person on the background. Even if you are putting your picture there, make sure it's only your picture that is in the background. Then that video you are reacting to is just in one corner of your space of your screen playing. You understand? Or you will just sit mute, quiet, and the screen will be on one side of your background playing. You understand? Don't allow that particular screen record you made, the video that you screen recorded, someone else's video, to be the main background. Facebook will flag your page. Just do exactly what I told you, and you will come back here to thank me later. Okay, this is the secret that many people won't tell you. See, blogging is not that easy, because they always get violation because of little things. So just do it this way. You just put the video in a few seconds, then you just, after that, you say one or two about the video. Finish playing, you can just say something like, next time do it this way, you have added value. Just say something. You can make one sentence, and that's the value you have added to that content. That one sentence you added have differentiated that your video now to the main person's video that the person uploaded. So you see, Facebook won't flag your page for uploading someone's content. When you're doing it this way, you can easily monetize your page on Facebook just by doing all your video this way. So to achieve this, we are going to open our CapCut now. So I'll head to my CapCut and I'll click on new project, and then I'll import the video. That's the video I worked on. So when shooting your own video, make sure you watch the video you want to react to, and also like check the number of minutes or seconds the video is going to play for, so you can be mute for that number of minutes or seconds. So me, I was mute for like 30 seconds here. So I'm going to click on overlay. Once I click on overlay, I'll add overlay. Then I will now click on this video. Now the video I'm going to work on is just 31 seconds video.
Then I'm going to click on that. Then once I add that to my video, I'm going to now move it to wherever I want it to be on my video here. Then you can keep it wherever you want, place it wherever I want it to be. You can increase it or you can decrease it so it's small or big in your video. So me, this is the particular size I want. Then so the next thing here is, while watching the video, then I got to the point where I'm pointing at the video. That's where I start talking. Then I'm going to split that my overlay and silence the other parts that will be showing while I was talking, because I've already put out the part I want people to listen to. So I'll just do that. So you can as well leave this your reaction video till the end of your video, or you can just cut it halfway. Maybe you show it at the beginning of your video and the rest you just talk whatever I want to say. So me, I didn't show it all through my video, just at the beginning of my video. So the next thing here, I'm going to now click on overlay again, and I will add the house that she built, the picture of the house that she built. So this is the house, because I'm talking about this house, so I want people to see it. So once I do that, I'm going to place it wherever I want on my video here. So this is just that. So after doing this, the next step here, I'm going to now drag it to the length of when I want this house to show on this video. So the next step here, there's some people that don't read caption at all, but want to just look at the picture on the video. They'll be tempted to watch. So I'm going to add the picture of this family because they are popular, so that people can, whenever they just see the video, they will just be like, okay, it's about the neighbors, let me watch. So I'm going to add that to my video. So it's your choice. You can drag this picture to the end of your video, or to a particular point in your video you can stop showing the picture. So I'm going to place that at one corner of my video. Then what I'm going to do next is, sorry, I have a flu, that's why my voice is this way. I'm going to search for the future remove BG, because I want to remove the background. Once I get that, I will click on auto remover, and immediately I've removed the background of this picture. So you see how it is now, it have blended to my video. So you can zoom that out to make it more bolder, or you can leave it the size as you prefer. Just do it the way you want it to be. Then so this is just basically how to do a reaction video.
So this is basically how to make money on Facebook using other people's content. And to achieve this is just how you can achieve this without having any issue on Facebook. I hope you found this video interesting, and if you do, hope you have liked and also subscribe to this channel. Also, let me know in the comment section any question you have to ask about this, or tell me about the next video you want me to talk about on this my channel, and I will do just that for you. Thank you all for watching. See you all soon in my next video. I love you all. God bless you. Bye bye.